Welcome to Yoga with Tara for Moha Seva Skin. As always, it is wonderful to see you guys. It's Sunday morning, 9:30 a.m. So I really hope that you're all excited for this session. Hi Jitendra on the Moha handle, and hi Shabig on the Tara Sharma Saluja handle. Thank you all so much for joining. There's Ryan. There is Dashing Bhaskar. Hi everyone. Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Hi Abhishek. Hi Manisha. Hi everyone. It's so good to see you all here today. And before, I'm going to give it a few minutes before let everyone join in, because I know it's a Sunday morning. Perhaps many people are taking it easy and breezy and having a relaxed Sunday. So let's give it a few minutes for people to join in. But for those of you who've been following these sessions, this is part of Charak Pharma, the leading Ayurveda company in the country. It's part of their Moha Seva Skin campaign, where we do sessions with experts on skin and hair care, and there's been wonderful experts, Dr. Malvika Kohli, dermatologist, and Dr. Manisha Mishra, a top Ayurvedic doctor, and I'm the yoga side of it. I'm not an expert, but I've been practicing yoga for about 21 years from our teacher, my teacher, Sir Pradeep Pandey, and I do see tremendous benefits of yoga holistically. Hair, skin, people compliment me for long, straight, thick hair. I've never colored it, and for clear skin, and I feel very grateful. So thank you for those of you who send me these messages. And basically, I do think that yoga and of course gentle herbal products, which are not heavy on chemicals, have perhaps really helped. For those of you who follow me, you know that I'm a very simple person, and one of the things I ensure is a little bit of exercise every day. I do yoga and I run a little bit, and I really do think that that has helped me a lot, both in mind and body. So this is our third yoga with Tara for Moha Seva Skin, and we'll be doing another one next week. So it's Yoga with Tara on Sundays at 9:30, and it is the experts conversations on Fridays and Saturdays at 4:30. So today's session is on getting clear and flawless skin. Now I feel very embarrassed because I don't want to praise myself. So thank you Moha for asking me to do these sessions. I feel very grateful, because I think that you guys saw that perhaps I have touchwood clear skin. And so what are the issues that can happen with your skin, right? So acne, pimples, these are very basic problems, and a few of the reasons for these are for these breakouts and for dull skin is excess oil secretion, which leads to the clogging of pores. There's also interrupted digestion that can cause problems with your skin. Also, wearing too much heavy makeup, and for people like me who are in the entertainment profession, we do use makeup, of course, when we're shooting and all that, and I enjoy getting all dressed up and having wonderful makeup artists. But in my day-to-day life, I actually don't use makeup at all. So I'm very simple. So if you use too much makeup, you have to ensure that you also clean it well. And one of the wonderful products that I would really suggest is the Moha Herbal Face Wash. It's so gentle on the skin, and it's really like using a light water-based moisturizer and cleanser can really help. Also, another cause for breakouts and acne and pimples is hormonal imbalances. So while of course it's important to choose gentle care products, it's also important to have the right diet to ensure you sleep well. Now yoga, we all know, has been proven in India, and now of course it's also very popular abroad. It's very useful to balance hormones, to enhance your digestion, to improve your blood circulation, and to enhance your skin glow. So yoga of course has been always popular here in India, and now we all see that it's practiced all over the world in a big way. So I would say that apart, as I said, from these wonderful gentle herbal products, do a little bit of yoga every day. I think you'll really see tremendous benefits. So on that note, we're going to start our session, and in our session, darling, leave her, she's okay. Sorry, my kids are around, as all of you who are perhaps in this lockdown, of course, homeschooling and working from home and all the rest of it. I'm sure it's obviously a Sunday morning, so the kids and the dogs and everything, there's full on action at home. So I'm telling you that now in advance, because one of the things that I think Moha perhaps reached out to me for is there's a lot of realness, and I think these products are also rooted in realness, because it's all natural products, paraben free products that are actually from nature, and without sounding self-praisey, I think I kind of perhaps embody a little bit of realness, because my home, I don't hide the shouts and the screams, and you just saw the kids, I think, in the background are actually almost having a little argument, and I can see that they're trying to say, okay, Mama's doing a class, let's not disturb her, but yeah. So coming back to our session. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do our yoga class, because I'm sure a lot of you who've joined here, of course, want to get on with the yoga, and we'll incorporate some asanas that actually help to keep your skin clear and radiant. And we'll incorporate those asanas, and then after we've done our stretches and some Surya Namaskars with some of these asanas integrated, then we will dedicate about 5 minutes at the end specifically to asanas that help with your skin and keeping your skin clear and radiant. So we're going to begin with stretches, general stretches, and then one of the asanas that helps hugely for your skin is Matsyasana, which is the fish pose. So when I'm doing it, I'll point it out to you. Also Halasana. Now Matsyasana helps to tone the muscles and to reduce stress, and also to regulate your hormones. Again, when we're doing it, I will call it out, and then we'll do it again, especially at the end. Halasana also improves your digestion, and it eliminates toxins. Sarvangasana also improves your circulation and reduces stress. All these things have a direct impact on your radiant skin and on your hair. Simha Mudra, it activates the facial muscles and it regulates your thyroid function. And of course pranayam, where we'll do some breathing at the end, which is of course soothing and relaxing, and it regulates the hormones. Also, everyone, please have some water nearby, because another trick for radiant skin is also to drink enough water, enough liquids. So before we begin, let's see who all we've got here. Rutvi, hello on the Moha handle, great to see you. Ritvik is on the Tara Sharma Saluja handle, and let's see who else is joining us here on the Moha handle. We've got a lot of people. We've got Kishan, we've got Sunidhi. Thank you all so much for joining. It's wonderful to see you. We've got Vani saying Moha products are too natural and organic, and I'm always in love with it. That's great to hear. That's really lovely to hear, Vani. And we've got Chetan, we've got FC Doshi, and loads of people who joined in. So let's get started with our yoga. Thank you, ma'am, is from Sunidhi, and thank you so much. Hi Manisha, lovely to see you. You are looking very beautiful. Thank you so much. I don't know about that, Priyanka. That's very kind of you. And we've got RK, we've got Lifetime. Thank you all so much for joining. Okay guys, so let's get started with our Surya Namaskars and our basic stretches. So as I said, we'll incorporate some of the yoga asanas that directly help with skin and keeping it radiant. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me, and note them down from now, and later I'll scroll up and have a look, at all the questions. So we're going to begin with Tadasana. Everybody get onto your mats. I hope you have your mats nearby. And let's stretch up. Clasp your hands together like this. Turn them inside out. Stand straight with your legs slightly apart. And rise up onto your tippy toes and hold. Feel the stretch in your calf, in your abdomen. Stretch, stretch, stretch up. Excellent, everyone. Please give me a thumbs up sign if you're actually doing the class. I hope you are. To start your Sunday full of positivity. Have a big smile on your face. I find smiling and being happy helps your skin and hair too. It's proven that, of course, stress can cause you to have acne and pimples. So try hard, even if you're having a bit of stress. It's natural, of course, too, but try hard to let yourself be calm, relaxed, peaceful, and happy. And stretch up again and hold. Excellent. Superb, everyone. This is Tadasana. And once more. Stretch, stretch, stretch up. Excellent, everyone. Superb. And gently down. Can everyone see me clearly? I hope I'm visible to everyone. Now we're going to get into our side bending. So let's put our legs a little bit apart. Left hand on your left waist. Right hand up. And bend on your left. And look at your right fingertips and hold. Feel the stretch in your side obliques. And look up. Excellent. All these help to relax your body, to remove stress, to help with your hormonal balances, and hold. And excellent. Other side again, left hand on your left waist, right hand up, bend on your left, and now release your left hand and place it parallel to your right. Excellent, everyone. Superb. And gently up. And again. Excellent. And one last time. Excellent, everyone. And on the other side. Fantastic. Excellent. Now we're going to do the Utkatasana. So keep your legs apart. Arms in front of your body, back straight. Bend down. And up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Excellent. Breathe out. Breathe in. Super. Feel your body working. Feel the stretch when you go down. And your strength when you come up. Excellent. Now hold. In karate, this is called Shikodachi. Our kids and my dad used to actually do a lot of karate. I did too, actually, as a kid for a bit. Superb, everyone. Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling good and energized and happy. And think of your clear, radiant skin after exercise, after yoga. Even a little sweating helps. And then the gentle Moha product that we're going to use later to wash our face. Excellent. Now we're going to do the warrior pose. Right leg in front, left leg back, and gently bounce for 30 counts. Excellent. Super. Excellent, everyone. Now stretch back and hold. Feel the stretch in your thighs. Look up at your inside of your palms. Excellent. Other side. Left leg in front, right leg back. And gently bounce. Super. Excellent. And stretch back and hold. Superb, everyone. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Superb. Now we're going to do the 7 stretches. Clasp your hands behind your back, legs apart, and bend down looking in front. Try and touch your nose tip or chin with the ground. Now hold your toes and place your crown on the ground. Now place your arms, your hands between your legs and stretch as much as you can. Don't worry, if you can't do that much of a stretch, it's okay. Practice, practice, practice gets you there. Do as much as you're comfortable with. Do not injure yourself, please. Turn onto your right and stretch up. And turn onto your left. Don't forget to smile. Stretch up. Into the center. Relaxing lion pose. Mountain. Stick pose. Excellent, everyone. Superb. I can see you guys. And gently release your asana. Excellent. Superb, everyone. So that was some initial stretching before we begin Surya Namaskar and the specific asanas that will help to keep your skin clear and radiant. Please take a sip of water. Excellent. Superb, everyone. So now we're going to get to the specific asanas. We're going to do Surya Namaskar and then the specific asanas which will help to keep your skin clear and radiant. Lokesh is saying hi. Maneet is saying hi. Anu is saying hi. Do send in any questions you may have. And if there are any more sort of detailed questions. Hi Ram, how are you? Good to see you here. And if there are any detailed questions, as I mentioned, we've also got Dr. Malvika Kohli and Dr. Manisha Mishra, who I think Dr. Malvika speaks on Fridays. Dr. Malvika Kohli, I think, speaks on Fridays at 4:30 and Dr. Manisha Mishra on Saturdays at 4:30. So you can also send in questions and they, if it's something a bit more medical, they could answer those. And RK says it's really interesting. These are the questions and comments I'm getting on the Tara Sharma Saluja feed. Harvant is saying wonderful. Ina is saying really enjoying the class. Thank you guys so much for joining. Okay guys, so as I said, now we're going to get to asanas that specifically help to keep our skin clear and radiant. If you have long straight hair as I do, now's a good time to tie it up. So we did a session, the first session was on hair care, and I must say, because I've been practicing yoga for so long, I do think it's had a direct impact on my long, straight, thick hair, because touch wood, even after 2 kids, yes, we have 2 kids who are now 9 and 11, so people say, oh wow, your hair is still so thick and long, and touch wood, it doesn't fall, and I've never colored it. And I do think that a lot of that is because of yoga. So, and of course, the gentle herbal products, the Moha products. And if you guys are not following the Moha Life, do follow it too. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 normal Surya Namaskars. Then we're going to do our variations. We're going to start with a Matsyasana, which is the fish pose variation, which helps to tone the muscles and reduces stress. And regulates the hormones. We're also going to do the Halasana, which helps with digestion. We're going to do the Sarvangasana, which improves your circulation and reduces your stress. Then we'll do Simha Mudra, which is like a lion, which activates the facial muscles and regulates the thyroid function. And then we'll do Pranayam, which of course helps to relax and regulates the hormones. So let's get started, and we'll start with basic Surya Namaskar. So those who are familiar, you can do it at your pace or you can follow me. And we'll do it together. So stand at the start of your mat. Now Surya Namaskar helps with everything. It is a holistic, I won't even call it exercise, but it's, or rather it's exercise for mind and body. It helps to regulate the hormones, it helps to reduce stress, it helps you keep you fit. All these things have a direct effect on your skin and of course your hair too. So everybody in front of your mat, Namaste Mudra. Breathe in on 1, back. Breathe out on 2. Breathe in, 3. Breathe out on 4. Try and place your heels on the ground so you feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath on 5, bums up, chin and chest on the floor. Breathe in 6, cobra. Breathe out, mountain. Heels on the ground, feel the stretch in your calves. Breathe in, left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in and namaste. Excellent. Now the second part of the first Surya Namaskar. So right balance is so important in yoga and in life, right? So you do both sides for all the asanas pretty much in yoga. Breathe in 1. Breathe out 2. Left leg back, stretch up. Mountain, heels on the ground, feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg in front. Forward bending. Backward. Repo. Super. So that was one Surya Namaskar. Now we're doing the second Surya Namaskar. 1, 2, 3. Mountain, heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. In and breathe out. Second part of the second Surya Namaskar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Namaste. Third Surya Namaskar. 1, 2. Breathe in. Out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Mountain. Left leg. Forward bending. Backward. Prayer pose. Second part of the third Surya Namaskar. Excellent everyone. Namaste Mudra. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Breathe in. Namaste. Superb everyone. Excellent. Now let's take a sip of water and then we're going to do the variations which are specific for the skin. So sip of water everyone. Excellent. So like I said, we'll start with Matsyasana, the fish pose, which helps to tone the muscles, reduce stress and regulate the hormones. So first variation, back, forward bending, right leg back, mountain everyone. Now moon pose, striking cobra, and now lie down, and for the fish pose, which really helps with your skin, we are going to place our hands below our bum and push your head up like this and hold. Excellent. Back into Vajrasana to balance it out. Mountain. And what we do is a jump which is like a froggy. Manduk. Super. Excellent. Second variation, we're going to do the half moon pose. 1, 2. Right leg back, right knee on the ground and stretch back and hold. Other side, mountain. Right leg in front, left knee on the floor and stretch back and hold. Excellent. Forward bending, backward, prayer pose. For the third round, we're going to do the Z pose. Backward, forward bending, right leg back, mountain. Now suck your tummy in and pull your knees towards your forehead and hold. Excellent. Moon pose, striking cobra pose. Mountain. Manduk. Excellent. Backward. Prayer pose. For the fourth round, we're going to do the Parivarti Veer Asana 1. 1, 2. Right leg back. Now plank. Plank, try and keep your body parallel to the ground. Superb, everyone. Bring your left leg in. Take your left hand and place it through your leg. Hold with your right and stretch up. Excellent. Other side. Left, right leg in front. Right hand through and stretch up. Excellent. All this helps to regulate your hormones, to keep your muscles toned and direct benefit to your skin. Forward bending, backward, prayer pose. Now we're going to do the Ardha Chandra Namaskar and the T-shaped pose and Chakrasana. Right leg back, raise your right leg up and look at your right fingertips and hold. Other side. And look up and hold. Excellent. T-shaped pose now. Try and use your lower back to keep your leg up. Again, this is concentration, stress busting, and helps keep you toned. Other side, excellent, fantastic, and hold. And feel the stretch. Superb. Excellent, everyone. Fantastic. Mountain, moon pose, striking cobra pose, mountain, manduk. Excellent, everyone. Super. Now we're going to do Halasana and Sarvangasana. Halasana helps with your digestion, which helps with your skin. And Sarvangasana helps to remove toxins, to remove stress. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg back. Mountain. Moon pose. Striking cobra pose. Now let's get into the camel pose. And hold. Gently bend forward. Vajrasana. And now try and lie down in Supta Vajrasana. Lie down in between your legs like this if your knees are together and lie down. Excellent. Gently release your legs, and now we are going to go into a halasana, which helps with your digestion and consequently with your skin. So, legs over and hold. Sarvanasana and hold. Gently back and gently release your asana. Excellent. Now everybody just lie down and let your breath come back to normal. Shavasana. Feel your abdomen rise and come back down. Be completely calm. Let your mind be completely relaxed. Positive thoughts or no thoughts. Excellent, everyone. Just be completely calm. Now, very gently raise your right leg up. Drop it on the left. Hold with your left hand. Turn on your right. Universal spinal twisting. One. Other side. Raise your left leg. Drop it on the right. Turn on your left. Universal spinal twisting. Excellent. Up again. Turn on your left and gently sit up. Excellent. Superb, everyone. Now we're going to do, I'm going to come a little closer so I can see all of you. Now we're going to do a little bit of, we're going to do Simha Mudra, which helps to activate the facial muscles and regulate the thyroid function. So let's sit in Vajrasana like this. Okay. The lion, like a lion roars, we're going to breathe out and stick our tongue out. So we breathe in. Excellent, everyone. Now just relax. Let your breathing come back to normal. Gently close your eyes and sit in any asana you're comfortable in. It could be Vajrasana, Padmasana, just a regular cross-leg pose. And we're going to do a little pranayam. So we'll do a little Kapalbhati where you breathe out forcefully through your nostrils. Just 30 counts. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, please stop. Excellent, everyone. When your breath is back to normal, we're going to take a deep breath in, and when we exhale, we're going to say a loud ah sound. So it will be an ah sound when we exhale. So breathe in deeply. Ah. breathe in deeply, and when we exhale, we're going to say an O sound. So a loud O. Breathe in. Excellent. Now we're going to breathe in deeply, and when we exhale, we're going to keep our lips together and do a humming sound. So just a sound where you feel the vibration in your whole face. And again, think of how that's helping with your clear skin, radiant skin. So breathe in. Excellent. Now gently rub your palms together. And when your palms are nice and warm, before Corona we would place the Corona fear, before the Corona scare rather, we would place our warm palms on our eyelids. Now we're just going to place them on our thighs. Then down. Thank you everyone. That was pranayam, which as we all know helps to soothe, relax and regulates your hormones. So thank you so much. That was a lovely session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you Manisha for all the claps. Thank you Dr. K.R. Shakti for the claps on this. Thank you Jambukyash. Thank you 212193. Thank you all so much for joining. And thank you Surendra. Now of course what I do, thank you Robin, is I some water, so please drink water everyone. Now what I'm going to do after this session is gently wash my face with our Moha face wash. Now the thing is that I'm genuinely saying that try and avoid things that have too much chemical. And what's really lovely about Moha products is it's herbal, and using a face cleansing and light water based moisturizer really helps to keep your skin clear and radiant. So the Moha face wash, as you know, Moha is from a brand of Charak Pharma, which has 70 years of wisdom and the trust of millions of people. And if you want to know more about their products, then do visit www.moha.co.in. I hope you've enjoyed the session today, and I want to tell you a little bit about these products because, you know, you should never put anything on your face that you don't know that you're putting on. I'm very careful about that. So it's always worth knowing what's in the product. So the face wash it's a herbal formula with sulfate-free and paraben-free properties, something you should always make sure of. The key ingredients are aloe, neem, rose, cucumber, and yashi madhu. Now it helps to cleanse the daily dirt and gently cleanses without any dryness, and it also keeps the acne and breakouts at bay. So it's a really lovely gentle product. And then there's the Moha face scrub, which is also really great to use on your face. Now the face scrub, basically I'm just going to get it because I have it here. The face scrub, the herbal face scrub, again it's sulfate free and it's paraben free, and the key ingredients in it are walnut, orange peel, rose, olive and nutmeg. Smells lovely too. It removes deep-seated dirt, grime and blackheads without any harshness, and it helps to reveal clear and glowing skin instantly, and you just use it 2 times a week. So this is the face scrub, the Moha gentle face scrub. And then Moha aloe vera gel. This is a huge favorite for us, all of us at home, because we use aloe vera a lot, and we really, Rupa calls it a magical thing. Again, it's sulfate free, paraben free, and its key ingredients are aloe vera, rose and cucumber, and it helps to soothe, hydrate and moisturize all skin types without any oiliness. It's light and water based, and you can use it in any season. Smells lovely too. So, and then of course there's a moisturizing lotion which is light, and then there's of course the sunscreen. Now sunscreen we all know is important to use because you know it your skin can get damaged if it's exposed to too much sun. Of course, having said that, you need some vitamin D, so please make sure you do have some sun time. But this is again herbal with sulfate free and paraben free properties. Key ingredients being aloe vera, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil and rice bran oil, and it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. SPF 50, which helps to protect against the harsh sun, damages and darkening, while aloe and other antioxidant oils soothe and nourish your skin, keeping it youthful and healthy. So these are some of the lovely products which also help keep your skin clear and radiant with the yoga, with lots of water, with a calm mind. However stressful things may be, try and look on the bright side. I think keeping happy really helps your skin and hair too. And if you are parents like we are, then I think kids and the joy they bring and the hecticness and the running around, all that helps too. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for joining. It's been such a lovely session. And the Versatile group says, Tara ma'am, what is the price of the cream? So it says over here, one cream, like for example, the moisturizing lotion is 275 rupees. So actually these creams are also very reasonable, which is really lovely, because at the end of the day, as much as yes, we all hear of very expensive things, too, if it's not accessible to everyone, then it's a problem. So these are really, really well priced, and I highly recommend. So yeah, the sunscreen is 260, and the herbal face wash again is in that price bracket. So all very well priced and highly recommended. Trying to find the price points of this as well. Yeah, 260 for the shampoo, and it lasts for a long time because it's gentle and you use it even though you use it often. Of course, most of these things like the scrub you use twice a week, so it actually lasts very long. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? We are fine. Thank you, Nevare. How are you? Can boys use this cream or is it only for girls? No, it's absolutely for boys and girls. As I said, the aloe vera, it's my husband who actually swears by it. So anyone can use it. Dhananjay says, please show your abs. Well, if you join Yoga with Tara on Tuesday, maybe I'll wear a crop top so you can see my abs. Because yes, I have worked hard to have flat abs, because again, each to their own. For me, it's not even about body size and shape. It's about being healthy, touch wood. And but people do say, my God, 2 kids and your abs are flat. Well, you know, it's been hard work. I can't say that it's just happened naturally. Years and years of doing yoga. Any tips for dry skin or any skincare we should be doing? Shreya says. Shreya, you know, I would really recommend a light water-based moisturizer and cleanser like the herbal Moha face wash and moisturizer. Those really help for dry skin. Also, just ensure that you moisturize. I moisturize in the morning and in the evening before going to bed, and I think that really helps with dry skin. And of course, there's body moisturizing lotion too. And as I said, a little bit of yoga every day, even if it's just 15 minutes, a little bit of a run, all those things really help too. Thank you, Shreya, for your question. And Abhi says hi. Shamita says hi. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am, for all the yoga steps and Surya Namaskar. Prachi says thank you. Thank you all so much for joining. I'm guessing most of you did the yoga, so thank you. That's really wonderful to see so many people here with us on a Sunday morning. I'm going to let you go now because I'm sure everyone's busy. Happy Christmas to you and your family. Thank you. Our Christmas tree is up. I don't know if you can see it there in the background, but it's there. I don't know if you can see it, but a Christmas tree is up. Ramesh says, please take my name. Sure. And Hellcat says, hi, cooking indulgence. Thank you for joining. On that note, guys, I'm going to say I'll see you next Sunday at 9:30 a.m. The session next Sunday is going to be on it's going to be on feet, and it's going to be on nail and foot care. So next Sunday, 9:30 a.m. Do join us. I'll see you then, and thank you so much for joining. Can you say the first role in a Bollywood film? It was in Om Jai Jagdish, then Khosla Ka Ghosla, and Page 3, and various others. Did you know versatile? How did you know all the asanas? Well, you know, I've been practicing yoga for about 21 years, so I know quite a lot of the asanas, but also the wonderful team of Moha helped me with some asanas which are specific for skincare so that I could speak with sense. I'm somebody by now you'll know who I don't like to do something unless I really know about it. So I've tried to do some research as well and find out. Mr. Gopu says hello, and Ramesh says thanks a lot. So thank you all. You look super cute. Manish is saying thank you. Mr. Raju says, how old are you? Oh, women do not reveal their age. And it's Shivani is saying, hi ma'am, good morning. Any tips for acne prone skin? So actually today's class is all about preventing acne and pimple outbreaks. And all the asanas we did, in fact, can help you with preventing acne. So please, this video is going to be on IGTV too, so you can check out the whole session. Also, these very gentle products from Moha, the gentle face wash, the moisturizer, they'll really help. And don't be stressed, you know. I think unfortunately sometimes acne and pimples, it's like a vicious cycle. You feel stressed that, oh my god, I've got pimples, I want to get rid of them, and the stress causes the hormones to act up, and the hormones acting up cause pimples. And I think that's why, you know, we all remember in our adolescence and college years, one would get breakouts because a lot of it was like a stress thing. So try not to be stressed, and thank you for your question. Shreya says, thank you so much, and you are beautiful. Thank you. That's very kind of you. Shivani, I hope that helped. Just try and stay happy. Use these gentle products. Do yoga. Maybe run a bit. A little bit of sweating and drinking lots of water will help too. And if, of course, it's something that you're not able to control, then do consult a dermatologist, Ayurveda doctor, Dr. Malvika Kohli, Dr. Manisha Mishra. Do speak to any of them if you have, if it's not going. Leave the products. We want to know more about you. Thank you, Manish. I am live 3 times a week for Yoga with Tara, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 o'clock, and for Saturday noon, live with Tara on Saturdays at noon. Saga says, Tara, do you remember me? Yes, ma'am. Dark circles. Manoj says, you can use a very nice cream under your eyes if you're feeling like dark circles. Also, sleep enough. Be happy. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. I'm going to say I'll see you later. Have a fabulous day. Ta-ra, ta-ra, ta-ra. Oopsie, dropped the bottle of water. Bye, guys.